blind spot, right?
A differently abled member of the Seven. We're gonna pull through the roof with millennials. Inclusion's a big priority to them right now.
Amazing.
And then I think we find an ethnic or female, or fingers crossed, an ethnic female to replace the deep, and we're golden.
Homelander, wow, you're... It's an honor, sir.
Wait. Hold on. You can tell it's me? Wow. That's impressive.
Now, you don't need super eyes when you have super ears.
Can I just say, that is amazing. And you, my friend, are a true hero. Not because of what you do for a job, but well, because of what you've overcome.
Thank you. That means everything coming from you.
Oh, stop it. Come on. Hey, guys, I just have one question, if that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So, what happens if, I don't know, I do this? And now you're just another useless fucking blind guy. This must be some kind of a joke. Ashley. What made you think I would ever allow a cripple into the Seven? For fuck's sakes, Ashley, don't look at him, look at me. Ashley! Look at me.
Sorry.
Let's get one thing straight. The only reason you're here and not doing corporate PR for fucking diva cups is that I brought you here. You are dispensable, which means you answer to me.
Okay.
From now on, I will set my own agenda, I'll approve my own marketing, and write my own talking points. You will tell me everything that goes on the 99th floor, and I mean everything. Every call, email, group chat, if a fucking light bulb goes out, you will tell me. And Ashley, in no fucking way do you decide who goes in the Seven. I decide. Do we have an understanding?
Yes.